Oh, sorry. My xylophone dog Rex likes to fetch anything that bounces.
Hi, Bebop. Whoa, a xylophone dog? What is a xylophone dog?
Ha ha ha! It's a dog with xylophone notes on his back. Listen. He has high notes.
High notes.
And low notes.
Low notes. Wow! Oh, and can I play those notes with my little drum head?
Whoa! Xylophone dogs aren't played with drummy heads, Tamborin. You have to throw Rex the ball, and the sound will be heard with his low or high notes.
Okay.
Now, who wants to throw Rex the ball?
Oh, I can do it. Oh no, I'm going first.
Oh, great, Pandori. Just make sure you don't throw it too high. There could be xylophone cats out there, and my Rex doesn't like them. Ha ha!
Don't worry about that, and watch my incredible throw.
Great job, Pandori. Now it's Tamborin's turn.
Oh, now it's my second turn. This throw will be even better.
Uh-oh! There was a xylophone cat over there, Pandori. Maybe we shouldn't,
Now, the most amazing throw that you have ever seen! Oh, I threw a little bit too far.
Oh no! Rex did it again.
Aw, I can't play with the doggy.
Oh, let's hear how Rex sounds. Oh, Rex is jumbled with the xylophone cat, and it doesn't sound like a xylophone dog anymore. How could we play with him again?
With my drummy head.
Ho-ho! That's right! We can separate the notes from my dog Rex and the notes from the xylophone cat by pushing them out with the rhythms of your drummy head, Tamborin.
Really?
Oh, yeah!
But I can't do it myself. Hey, remember the low and high notes of the xylophone dog? Can you help me to find where the dog notes are among the notes of the xylophone cat?
Yeah, Tamborin!
Yippee! And you can help me with your drummy head too, Pandori. Oh, okay. Let's go! Where are the notes of the xylophone dog? They sound like this. Maybe there is one here. Or here. Where are the xylophone dog notes? Come on. Here? Yeah, it's a xylophone dog note. That's great. Where are the xylophone dog notes? Here. Or here. No, it's a xylophone cat note. Where are the xylophone dog notes? Maybe there is one here. Or here. Where are the xylophone dog notes? Here? Or here? Yeah, it's a xylophone dog note. Yeah, the doggy has his notes again.
Your rhythms were great, Tamborin and Pandori. I think you guys can play with Rex now.
And about the xylophone cat. Rex can still play with him. Come on, kitty kitty.
Oh, I am not sure.
We should play with both of them.